All right, but yeah. So also the graphics of these models, I don't like it.
It's I'm still making because I was modeling the casework.
Yeah, in my opinion, if you just showed it as like a box with no the lines inside and all that stuff. By the way, I have a couple of projects that I model some really sweet custom stuff. One of them is a Bunker Hill, is in Bunker Hills, in Bunker Hill. It was in 2018, so that model will have to get upgraded. And then another one was Sargent Street. That's when we had no work. This realtor hired us to represent what's possible within this property. And we never got paid. We knew we weren't gonna get paid, but we did it for free. We had nothing. So and I modeled really cool stuff, and most of that stuff came from other offices where I learned. There are some companies that really care about millwork and custom millwork, and those are like capital D architect, like design architects, and that I made some really cool. They are active, like they can draw. So 236 Campbell Street is one of those projects that come to you and you're like super excited about. The client was so much more ambitious than we could even ever been. It was just amazing. So this is the final scheme of this particular project. The concept was to create two residential units side by side, and in these residential units we were gonna create something that have views of the ocean in Revere Beach, but also was appealing to a new kind of client, a new kind of buyer. And the owners actually had a very big and bold picture of what this could be. Showed us a lot of pictures of Miami and different projects in Los Angeles and all over. And this one is the result of that. So the project inside has about 2,000 square foot per each unit. Each unit is 2,000 square foot. And the goal was that both will have a swimming pool. Each one of them will have a swimming pool and a rooftop, and that both of them could see the ocean from inside and from the rooftop. So we ended up playing with the materials a lot. One of the designers here, Yvonne Perez, and Julio Gutierrez, one of the other, our director of design, started playing with the movement. And that was the result of it. This movement of this canopy area that would just point into the direction and protect from the sun, direct sunlight, and be welcoming. So right now it's under construction, and we've been there multiple times. It's coming along really great. It's impressive because the owner got the permit. We finished the drawings in November, and he already had a building permit by December. It's something that doesn't happen all the time. But yeah, this is just a little sneak peek of one of the most remarkable townhomes we've ever done. And it's going to be done pretty soon, actually. It's going very aggressively, so yeah, thank you.